Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we gonna talk about some things. Like today we are going to do random talks. Whatever topics comes in my mind, I'm going to just do a little talk. Okay. So yesterday I have sent my YouTube video link to ChatGPT, and I gave him a command to just analyze my video and just tell me what I need to improve. Means, can you give me the feedback? Because when I watch my video, I'm not able to find mistakes and feedback. One mistake I can find about my vocabulary, I am using a bit vocabulary. I not using too much vocabulary in my speech. But the other one is like I use some filler words, uh, means like and okay, these kind of words. So I wanted to use come, means useless. Okay, so the second one, the second thing, I gave him a feedback. No, sorry, I gave him the command to just analyze that my YouTube channel. So he analyzed, and he just tell me, you need to just you are confident, you like you look confident in your videos, but just work on more of confident videos. And here is my sister, and she is staring at me a lot. So if someone
Because you
kind of
speak very well.
if someone thank you if someone stare you like that, so you feel uncomfortable, and it's kind of unprepared. But I didn't prepare anything. Like her, my interview, in my interview, the HR, she was staring at me, like she was staring at everyone, but I took personally, and because that was my problem of fear of judgment. So after that I was not able to speak my answer properly. I felt this. So ignore her and fake it and make it. Yes, fake it and make it. So yeah, so I have gave him the command to ChatGPT, and he corrected me these things. Then after that I have sent my first long video and my latest video, and after that I gave him the command, can you please stop this, I'm doing something. Yeah, so I gave him a command, can you please identify and give me the feedback, the first one and the last one. What is the improvement I did, and what I need to improve more, because I'm not able to find my mistakes. So can you tell me, can you be my teacher, and can you give my feedback so I can work on more that. So he told me, okay, give me some few minutes and I'll give you the feedback. And he took literally 10 to 15 minutes to analyze that, and till that time I watched some videos. And yesterday I have watched some celebrities video, means there the Shahid Kapoor's wife, there is a Mira Kapoor, and the another person, that Nitu Kapoor, and some there is some celebrities as well. So they were talking about the skincare product, means which skincare they are using since their teenager till now. So they start with Neetu Kapoor, and not he, sorry, she tell her she didn't use sunscreen. She never used sunscreen, means, and all person was shocked because sunscreen is very much important for every person, either male or female, because sunscreen is the main ingredient for skin. When we didn't use sunscreen in our skin, we got some lots of pimple, we got some uneven tone skin, and like lots of problem, because the sun protection is more important. And if you think you are at your home but your skin is safe, that is not going to happen, because you are using your phone in your house, there is lots of lights, right? So that UV rays disturb your skin cells, and it will damage your skin cells. So that's why you need to use sunscreen for every day. Even though the sunscreen recommended, you need to use like in each 3 to 4 hours you need to just reapply. But not everyone can do, even I didn't do that. Like, I just used in the morning time, and whenever I went out I just used that. Before I used to use one sunscreen, but that was a very good smell, and right now I'm using my dermatologist recommended that, so I'm using that one. And actually before, when actually I have very clear skin when 2 years back, but I went to, I don't know why, like I got some pimple bumps, and I ignored that. I thought might be she is from like we are human, so we have lots of changes in our bodies, so might be because of that I got some pimple bumps, and it will gone, it will go after some time. But that's not like that. It become more worse in more worse situation, and after that I tried a lot thing, means I tried some few of the brands of skincare. Right now I didn't remember all of that brand, but yeah, I used 2 3 brand, and all of them like whole regime, the face wash, the sunscreen, like Cetaphil, and whatever that dermatology, no, I think that kind of that brand. So 2 3 brand I have used different time, but not any of that brand it's doesn't suits my skin, so it getting more worse into worse. So I, one day one girl suggest me this dermat, and actually she took uh, more money, like she is very expensive. That's why I was avoiding for I don't want it to go, but I go, but I went for because I can spend money, but I can't go getting worse my skin, right? So in the last I thought, okay, let's go for first time, and let's see if in 1 month I got any, I can, like I'll get any result, then I'll go in second time. Because in first time you need to pay a lot, means you just need to take 10,000 in your pocket for first time, because she is going to change your face wash, your moisturizer, your sunscreen, and she will give you some medicines of skin, and 1 or 2 sachets for drinking purpose. You need to just, it's like a you need to just break their packet and just mix in water and just drink it in the morning and in the evening time. So it's kind of that. And the other one is some night cream if you need it, so she will give you. But all products are medicated, but it's so expensive as well, so you need to just think. And her fees is 1500 for one. If you go once, so she take 1500, and then in the second time she will take 1000 only. In every time she will take 1000. So yeah, then I went, and literally it broke my heart when I paid her 7 to or 8,000 rupees for my skincare, literally. But I have the hope, and because I feel it will going to be good and it will suit for me, so I have manifested of that. And after few days, like 10 days, then I didn't see any kind of result. Like, I didn't analyze if that medicine is giving me that result or not. I just closed my eyes and just I applied daily on regular basis. But and after some time, I literally, after 15 days, that girl who's recommended for that doctor, and she is working with me to seize my she was my colleague. So she saw my face, and she like did comment of that that time. She tell me your skin is looking healthier right now, and it feels like shine on your face. So that time I felt okay, might be this medicine is work. And after 1 month, literally that pimple coming is like pimple will not come right now, and that time pimple didn't stop. So after 1 month, when I went again, so she gave that same medicine, and only she changed one medicine something. And again I have the hope, and again I did 1 month of I used 1 month, and then I, like, till now I went only 3 times to that doctor, and you can see my skin is now it's kind of, there is no pimple, and touch wood, there is no pimple. And I wanted to continue that medicine for long, because for and her skincare which she gave me, that is so good, because right now I am just using the face wash and the moisturizer and the sunscreen. That's it, only 3, and it suits me very well. And I think I will be continue always this all my skincare regime. I can add some new serum and all, but not anything else. So yeah, this is my skincare story, and you can see. And actually she gave me that hair care regime as well, but I didn't took that because I didn't have money that time. And actually I think I'm going to join a new job after 1 month. When I will get my salary, then I definitely go to her again and do my skin checkup again, because I'm preparing for air hostess, and in that field the pimple is not allowed, the marks is not allowed. Your skin must be in the good condition, means healthy and without pimple. 1 or 2 pimple is it fine, but not much more. Yeah, so actually I talked to lots of time to ChatGPT, and she is literally helping me a lot for every kind of situation. She never say to me I can't help you. Whatever in her or his hand in the chat GPT. She or he always help me. So yesterday I did my feedback and all, and she gave me some option to improve my English. And actually I never found that websites which he gave me yesterday. So I tried, and let's see how it goes. And today is day 6 of my practice of recording my videos. And after this video I will post on YouTube channel, and then I will send the link of my YouTube channel to again the chat GPT, and then I will going to ask what I can improve more, because literally I can't find the mistake what I did, because lots of people, they told you can record yourself and just observe your mistakes. And so I can observe right now I am doing some grammatical mistakes in past tense only, not in future tense, not in present tense, only in past. So I'm going to improve my past and going to share lots of stories, and I will write lots of any kind of my incident which happened in my past. So and the